Hello, y'all. Thanks for tuning in. Today we have a change of pace, which I always enjoy. Someone ripped out the disk drive cable right here. So it's going to be real fun times. Let's get that salvaged, get them back to gaming again. Let's go ahead and start by exposing the copper so we could do our jumpers and get that connector back on there. Alright, so I got the copper exposed. And go ahead and get the makeshift solder pad set up now. Come on. There we go. Alright, that ought to be good enough. That to be good enough. And some right here. Might need to scratch more off right there, but let's find out. Let's find out. Oh, gotta turn them on. Doesn't want to take it. There it goes. Yeah, it doesn't want to take on the spot right there. Gonna have to scratch it some more. I'll be right back. Alright, so the board is prepped. The connector's prepped. Let's get it on. It's going to be quite difficult. I'm really hoping I could catch it on camera. And then we could solder those legs in. But this is like so difficile. Alright, I got it. Let me get the other side. Really doesn't do it any justice, but came out really nice. Came out really nice. Gotta get rid of those little fibers. Let's bolt it up and test. Alright, so I reinforced the sides a little more. I added some UV solder mask to protect the work. Already took care of the liquid metal and the dirt and dust buildup. Let's go ahead and test it out. Liquid metal's good. Well, that's a good sign. And we are back in action. Be sure to like the video, hype the video. Be sure to comment. And if you haven't done so already, consider subscribing. Thanks for tuning in.